Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little place of Belfair, Washington. Yes, I call it Hickville, USA. There's nothing wrong with my town. And there's nothing wrong with calling it Hickville, USA. It's a small town and it is wonderful to live here. I have lived here for way too long. So welcome to my channel, everybody. This is July 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 28. Yes, there will be another one coming up after this one. I don't know if I can squeeze two because I plan on making, I plan on making a sample for the next card. So that's why there won't be 30, but I plan on making I'll be using supplies to make a sample for the next card. So this kit is called Sweeter With You. This is the July 2025 kit. This is one was a little different as you got to make 8 cards, not 9, but you got 4 designs instead of 3. The envelopes were all the same. So this QR code would of course lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it was designed. You get the visual of everything in the kit. This is the typo that says 9 cards, 9 envelopes when it's 8 cards, 8 envelopes. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I always show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, I think you've seen it all. And you can always refer back to those videos if you would like. This one down here would lead you to this set of 9 dies called the Circle of Season dies. You will see these quite a bit as they will coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin Kit. Yes, September's kit coordinates with a suite of products called Autumn Toile, suite out of the new September to December's mini catalog. I have shown a little bit of that already at the end. In my review, I will show you what I purchased from that suite of products. So the stamp sets are Hello Friend, Life is Sweeter With You, You're the Best, Love You Lots, Thank You, the 2 flowers, and the leaf and the strawberry. So let me show you what I have for you here. So what are we using? We're using an envelope as an envelope, everybody. We have a white card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have 1/2 of a card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5. We're using the 2 vellum rectangle bits here. And then I have this scrap piece of a card base. We're going to use that. Now I have 2 to the point punches. This is from the envelope. Hold on. From an envelope from the kit. We're going to do a couple more just to double up on those as well. We have 2 strawberries, 1 flower, and this little bit. So quite a bit. We are using quite a bit from the kit, right? Okay, so my idea is we are going to need to separate the hello and the friend. Y'all know that I cut this apart already. So we're going to take friend, put it on its own block. And we need the Stampin' Pierce mat. Y'all, if you don't believe that the cushioning, now you could use a piece of fun foam. You don't have to go and purchase the Stampin' Pierce mat. You could use fun foam. You could use a magazine, just something with some cushioning in it. Maybe you have anything that's foamy, right? It does make a difference with these polymer stamp sets. If you've seen a red rubber stamp set, I'm looking for my little itty bitty background stamp set. I was just using them. Where did they go? Oh, here they are. So, red rubber, regular ink pads, right? You see this? They have foam in there. You see that cushioning, right? So when you go to stamp on them, they have a bit of give, right? See? That's what this foam does for polymer stamp sets, because polymer stamp sets don't have that give. That's why you see me use it. But like I said, fun foam can do it, and you can buy that just about Walmart. You can buy that stuff at Walmart in the craft section for kids. So we are going to stamp hello on one of these. We need to move the scratch paper. I'm going to move that aside. We are going to bring in a coaster so it doesn't make so much noise. We are going to use Poppy Parade. That is one of the colors. So we are going to stamp our hello as far up as we can. That looks good. I've got plenty of extra paper if I mess up. There's hello. There's one. I'm going to set that aside. Now we're going to use friend, and we want friend to be stamped as far down as we can. Now I'm going to miss a little bit of the F at the bottom, but that's okay. I'm willing to sacrifice it. Maybe I sacrificed a little bit too much. Nope, that's going to work great. That is going to be fabulous. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. That's going to work too. So we have hello and friend. Now, what do I want to do? Trying to think this thing through. Hello, friend. We're going to stamp life is sweeter with you on the inside. I want this one, hello, friend. We're going to stamp you're the best on here. Now, this piece really is optional. It's up to you whether or not you want that little piece, but it was the last one. Okay, we want to stamp a flower or a strawberry. I'm thinking flower, and I want pool party. Did I put pool party away? Where is the pool party? I just had the pool party. Oh, the hello friend. If you guys can't see it, but hello and friend were on my pool party. So we're going to stamp. Making sure here. There's my little flower for there. And let's go ahead and put a little pool party flower there. One there. I'm starting to wonder if I want to do a little, but no, I want to keep that, I think, clean and simple. All right, I think we're good to go now. And we're going to move this aside. So inside of this is done. We're going to glue this down. And then this piece needs to be cut to the exact same. Oh, is it gonna, we might have to trim these down. I need to make this is, you know, just a leftover piece of a card base, but we're gonna have to cut down. We're gonna take it to 3 3/8 just because that's an easier measurement. So these need to come down to 3 3/8. 1, 2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some tear tape here to this piece, and I'm going to put those two to this. those away from us. All right. So I think what I'm going to do is here. No, that may not work, but we'll find out. I was just trying to line this up on the line here. Okay, take it this way. Oh no. Hopefully. That's all that was for, was to get those two pieces together, right? That's what it was all about. Now we're going to go back and we're going to add some more tear tape to it. And repeat. Repeat it again. Now, with these, we are going to cut the hello. Please be straight. There's hello. Then you're going to cut the friend. Please stay still. No, I guess we don't need to double up on it because it's not. So we're going to put this here and hello here. I think I'm going to bring, nope, that looks good. Wondering if I can squeeze it. I wanted to get it under there a little bit. Yes, that will do. Okay. I need to put a little bit of tear tape on this. Up here a little bit. Just a little bit. And a little bit down here because I'm going to squeeze it up underneath my transition piece. Oops, might have to remove the backing to get it to stick. There we go. Hello, friend. So now we have 2 strawberries. We're going to put one here. Actually, maybe we'll do one here and one there. I like that better. So when I put these down, then I'm going to be able to peel up the vellum and put an additional bit of a glue dot, I think, behind the vellum. I know I started one of these sheets. So I already know this is going to go about right here. We can put that in its rightful place. We're going to put one down here in this corner. And then we can add some glue dots to the strawberry itself. You could add tear tape to the strawberry. It's up to you. It's like opening a clamshell there, trying to get those off. Then we have You're the Best in the center. And now I have a flower that I don't know where it's going to go. I was going to put it here, but I think we still are. We're going to add some tear tape because it's skinny and it'll go across the whole piece, maybe. And our flower. Yep, it's going there. That's where it is going. And where is the envelope? I know. Oh, I already stamped the envelope. I'm like, we need to do the envelope. We stamped the envelope. So that's it. That fast, that simple. Envelope, check, done. We can add the stickly glitter glue to this as well because it's going to look so adorable, right? Big, nice little circle in there, and then add. And then I'm all out of strawberries, y'all. No more strawberries. We're even going to add a little bit of stickly glitter glue to these. There. That's all it needed. Little bit of sparkle and shine. I know it's not Wink Stella. I know I've been using a lot on this, but I really like it with the strawberries. So there we have it. Hello, friend. You're the best. Life is sweeter with you. And just a single little flower on the envelope flap. Just a little something, right? So I'm so excited because when I'm done with this, I get to open the new paper pumpkin. But I'll show you what so I have these two pieces left and I see Christmas. Yes, I do. I just see Christmas. So I'm going to design a Christmas card, a simple one, of course. And, that's what I'm going to do with these. So I'm going to design one so I have a sample to share with you for my last video. Yes. So I am so excited. So thanks for watching, everybody. And, I'm going to work on that here after lunch. I'm so excited because the new paper pumpkin. Yes. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.